What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there is interesting news that is circulating online. Well, it started first as rumors, and right now it's cropping out, and we are starting to see this news coming to fruition bit by bit. Well, the first news has been reported by the Mail and Guardian. They are saying the ANC in Free State is eyeing former EFF MP Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. And also we can back up this story because we once saw Mbuyiseni Ndlozi greeting ANC member Moses Ketso Makume, who is the member of the Free State Executive Council for Finance and Tourism Development since 2024. He belongs in the Free State Provincial Legislature. So if this happens, this is definitely going to be good news for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi himself, because right now he definitely needs a home, considering what Julius Malema also said just a day before yesterday when he was interviewed on ENCA, when he said, "I am not Mbuyiseni Ndlozi's father. Go and ask him." So Julius Malema no longer cares at all about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi going back to the ANC is definitely going to be a good thing for him. But what are the chances of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi returning back to the ANC? Right now, these chances of returning back to the ANC, they stand at a solid 7 out of 10. If I'm to give a rating, that's a very solid rating right there, 7 out of 10. Well, why do I say so? It's because the ANC, themselves, they actually want Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to come to the ANC. You can look at the ANC Youth League, Colin Malaji. He actually invited Mbuyiseni to come to the ANC, and they're going to welcome him with open arms. And what also backs this point is that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi also has nothing against the ANC, unlike the MK party, where there is Jacob Zuma, someone that he does not see eye to eye with. So these points, they definitely give that solid 7 out of 10.